do have a bit of breaking news now. The Fed says it's keeping interest rates steady in its first decision since the global trade war set off by President Trump's tariffs. It's coming with fears, though, that continue to grow over a possible recession. Our business correspondent, Alexis Christoforous, joining us now. So, Alexis, let's talk about this decision and what it means for the overall economy and also all of us, the consumers.
Well, Kira, this was no surprise. Most economists expected the Fed to take this wait-and-see attitude and hold interest rates unchanged at their meeting today with so much uncertainty in the air. You and I have been talking about it seems, on a daily basis, all the uncertainty around President Trump's tariffs, what it will mean for inflation and for the overall economy. And as you said, many economists now raising the odds for a recession later this year. What the Fed did do, and is one of the reasons why we're seeing a rally on Wall Street, is it's still indicating that it is on track to cut interest rates at least twice at some point in 2025. That was its same projection back in December. However, the Fed is lowering its outlook for economic growth this year and actually raising its expectations for inflation. Having said all that, it looks like the market is happy with the status quo, at least for today. But I'll tell you what, if people were waiting for interest rates on auto loans, credit cards, mortgages to go down, that didn't happen today, and rates are expected to stay at an elevated level for a good part of this year, Kira.
All right, so what are you watching for when Fed Chairman Jerome Powell actually speaks to the press this afternoon?
I think we want to know if he's going to say the R word. Will Jerome Powell talk about the likelihood of the economy slipping into a recession later this year? Will he bring up the word stagflation? That's something that's been being bandied about by economists now. That's a scenario where you have higher inflation at a time when unemployment is also rising. It sort of puts the Fed in a pickle. They don't want to lower interest rates too much in an environment like that because that can feed inflation. So we're going to see what his outlook is for not just economic growth, but whether or not he believes the economy is going to slip into recession later this year, Kira.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, thank you. Appreciate you bringing us the breaking news there.